Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, loving you.
I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been skipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep.
Hi guys, it's Vlogmas episode 2. I look bad, I look crusty, my nails look bad, my hair, don't even talk. I'm actually going to my braids now. So on Vlogmas episode 2, we have a maintenance weekdays in my life. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm not just sure if I want to do my lashes, but I know for sure I'm doing my hair and my nails with you guys. And right now I'm going to Pep, so I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm walking to Pep, so yeah. If you're new here, I'm Alicia S. If you're returning subscriber, hi Bessie, hi stand up Sam. Welcome back here to another video. I look bad. Yo, how can I look like this? But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, bye guys. How can a beautiful girl look like this? It's not fair. But anyways, I got braids. I got 3 darling braids. It was a black color because I already have one goddess, I think, with this color. So I just added 3 more. I hope it fits. I know I have a big head, but yeah. So this is all I got. 3 of this. And then I got nail polish remover. Because guys, these nails, yeah, then I got tips from the meme, obviously. Yeah, the auntie Junior texted me. I was supposed to go early in the morning, but she apparently had a client, so yeah, it's fine.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Hi guys, so I finished doing my hair, but it's super late, so I'll show you guys my hairstyle tomorrow. I'm in the bathroom if you hear me echoing or something, but yeah, I love my hairstyle. Like, I love it. I'll show you guys properly tomorrow. So tomorrow we do my nails. No, we remove this, and Thursday we do my nails. So today is Thursday. I was supposed to do my nails today, but I was disappointed by my nail tech. Okay, she's not my nail tech, but I wanted to do my nails with her for the very first time, and I'm so sad, but it's fine. I'm looking for another nail tech. Pray for me. I need to complete my maintenance vlog and post it by Monday. So yeah, I'm planning on doing my lashes now. If I don't get my nails done, I get my lashes done at least. But I can't leave my nails like this, guys, so we'll see. Okay, here's my hair. Don't judge me. I just woke up. I didn't wash my face yet. So yeah, that's my hair. I look pretty good. It looks so good, guys. But yeah, bye. So guys, now and I are buying snacks. We're going to the beach. Thank you, juice. Which one? This one or this one? Which one? This one. Now we are looking for sweets. We got this chips because it was on sale. The sweet. We can maybe take the small ones and then take a chocolate. Or must we just go buy ice cream at the beach? Yeah. Let's just take this and then go buy ice cream. Hi guys, Nami and I are by the waters. We just came here just to have like a mini picnic. Not really a picnic, but yeah, just to go out of the house. And yeah, it's kind of sunny. That's why my eyes are like that. The charm. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
You right now, but the truth I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top chair right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one.
Guys, Nami and I got ice cream. So you know that girl? I know her.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is running. All these thoughts have trouble me. Starting to give.
I know if you fight kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you. You got fights on you. I know if you die for you, ladies, but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. Yeah,
Guys, I did my nails and I'm done. I'm so happy, bruh. Yo, my nails look good. She ate the set, bruh. But anyways, guys, so we've come to the end of the video. If you did enjoy, please leave this emoji down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye.